So if you have your graphing calculator, you can bust it out. If not, you can just use your regular TI-36. So everyone should have the handout that I gave this past week. If you don't have it, it should be on Blackboard. And just follow the same directions. I don't have the emulator for the TI-36, but I do have it for the graphing calculator. But just follow along, use the same steps that we did to calculate the mean and the median in class last time, and with the standard deviation, it's the same exact steps. So just follow along with with that sheet. And if you lost it, then just go on Blackboard and you should be able to access it there. So the first thing that I'm going to do, in order to find the quartiles, I'm going to first, if you have the graphing calculator, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to press on stat. Then you're going to click on edit. So I'm going to press enter. So let me go here. Let me get rid of these things. So if you have something in there, just delete it. So I'm going to press a 1. Then I'm going to press another 1. Then 2 2s. Then we have 3 3s, 2 4s, and then 1 5. All right, so now once all your data is entered, we're going to click stat one more time. Then we're going to press this right key to go to calculate, and then we're going to press the first button, one variable stats. All right, and then let's just continue on this. The list was in list 1. We're not going to do anything with frequency, and then we're going to calculate. And then here is my answer. So if you remember last time, this is how we found the mean, and then it tells you the standard deviation and all this other stuff. And I keep scrolling down. It tells me my Q1, which is 1.5, which is what we found. Q2, which is actually the median, that's just 3. And then Q3, let me move this over, which is actually 4. So this is a much faster way to find the quartiles instead of doing everything by hand. So in a test, I would prefer if you just do it with a calculator. So if you have the TI-36, just follow the same steps. It's just going to be different keys.